Upgrading to energy-efficient windows during new home construction cuts heating and cooling costs and makes indoor comfort noticeably better. When planning energy-efficient window replacement for new construction, specify double-pane or triple-pane glass with low emissivity coating to reduce heat transfer and limit ultraviolet fading. Choose Argon or krypton gas fills between panes because they lower conductive and convective heat loss while keeping sound transmission down. Pick Energy Star-rated frames that match your climate zone, since frame material and thermal break performance matter as much as the glass. Insist on full cavity insulation around the rough opening, and use proper flashing tape and a sill pan to prevent air and water infiltration, which degrades thermal performance. Position windows with consideration for solar heat gain by orienting larger windows to the south in cold climates and adding exterior shading or awnings in hot climates to reduce cooling loads. Finally, plan for installation quality by hiring an installer who performs blower door and infrared checks, or at minimum a water test after installation to verify air tightness and correct sealing. Common mistakes include choosing the wrong glass for climate, which causes higher energy bills and discomfort, so match low emissivity coatings and the number of panes to your heating and cooling needs. Another issue is poor installation where gaps or improper flashing create drafts and moisture problems. The fix is to require sealed, insulated jambs, continuous flashing, and a post-install air and water test. A third concern is ignoring frame performance and solar orientation, which can create overheating or heat loss. Correct this by selecting frames with documented thermal performance for your climate and adding exterior shading devices or awnings where solar gain is excessive. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like energy-efficient window replacement, so we help you find local professionals and share real project experiences. We also host a discussion community where our members exchange tips, installation questions, and contractor recommendations to help everyone make smarter upgrade decisions.